All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Okay. Welcome. It all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. All right. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. We are Brainybite tutorial. Okay. So what we do in this our YouTube channel is that we talk about things that concerns admission, WAEC, NECO, Jamb, and etc. Post UTME, etc. Not only that, we also give updated news for all schools because we know that as long as you are registered for UTME examination and sat for the exam, so the next thing ahead of you is post UTME, and after that you still be needing information about your institution of choice so that you will know when the schools have started giving admission and any other relevant information that you may need. Okay, so that is related to your either your course, your admission, and everything like that. Okay, so that's basically what we do here. So I want to encourage you so that if you're a jam candidate or if you're an aspirant, okay, so university aspirant, so I want you to do here is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Okay, let me still remind you of another thing that it doesn't matter how your jam score is. If you have a very low jam score, we can equally or definitely help you to gain admission. All right, so that's the last one. Well, we'll have a WhatsApp community, so that is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidates. Okay, however, you can become one of us. The only way you can become one of us is to let me know in the comment section that you want to become one of us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number and you message me on WhatsApp. Okay, after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I'll definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp community. Okay, there in our WhatsApp community, you have access to so many things, right? So you have access to 2020 all schools post UTME updated past questions. All right. So you also have access to ongoing WAEC answers. You have access to NECO answers and so many other things you can benefit from there and a lot more. All right. So very quickly one we know that when you gain admission you will definitely have to face some challenges in the schools. Maybe the allowances the allowance your your parents will be giving you might not be enough for you. All right, so you definitely need some other side hustles that can help you can help you take care of yourself while you're in school. So that's why we are going to launch a program next year next year, yeah, so that will definitely help you with financially so I can help yourself while you're still schooling. All right, so if you want to gain all of this, or if you want to benefit from all of this, okay, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications. Let me know on the comment section that you want to join us, all right, so on our WhatsApp group. All right, so I'd rather to give you my WhatsApp number. So having said that, guys, so let me get right to the video for today. Okay, so if you notice, today we have the topic of today as Borno State University. All right, so that's to tell you that everything we're going to talk about today is basically for Borno State University. Okay, so that's everything we're going to talk about today. All right, so after they just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some of my candidates called me, some messaged me on WhatsApp, some also messaged me on the comment section that what's the next thing after Jamb UTME examination. So I told them that I'll be answering the question here on the YouTube channel. So the reason why I'm answering the question here on my YouTube channel is not because I just feel like let me answer the question, but I just want you guys outside there that's I want you guys to also benefit from that, because I know a lot of persons out there don't know the are ignorance of this. All right, so that's why I have to answer the question here so that so many of you will learn from here. Okay, so I want to advise you, I want to encourage you. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, so and when you subscribe, turn on bell notification because more updates are coming. As we all know, we upload videos on daily basis. Every day we upload videos. All right, so let's continue, guys. So Borno State University, the next thing that awaits us after they just concluded UTME examination, the next thing ahead is post UTME examination. Okay, post UTME examination is just like an entrance examination. Okay, it is your institution of choice that conducts the exam. All right, it is your institution of choice that conducts the examination. All right, so whereas some schools they don't conduct exam. What they only do is internal screening. Okay, they will screen you with your WAEC result and your Jamb result. So that's basically what they will screen you with. Though that doesn't mean that you are not going to buy their form. You definitely have to buy their form, and after that they will screen you and know if you're eligible or if you have met their admission criteria. So if you have not, they will still have to look for a way out. So that's why you need us. Okay, when you need us, that's definitely the reason why you need us, because we will be there to know the right step to take at every point of time. All right, so that you don't miss out with your admission. All right, so that's it. Okay, so I know some of you be asking, when is the form going to be out? Where are we going to purchase the form? Okay, don't panic. All right, so the form is coming out soon, and once the form is, that's why I told you to subscribe and turn on bell notification, because once the form is out, I will definitely have to notify us on YouTube that the form is out. Right, and don't panic. Also, we can still help you to process the form. All right, the distance is not a barrier. All right, we can still help you to process the form if you want. So you have to join on our WhatsApp community, and there will make everything easier for each and every member of Brainybite. All right. I love you guys, and this video, I believe I've answered the question for today. Please, if you love this video, just give this video a thumbs up. All right. So that YouTube algorithm will definitely send this video across to other persons out there that needs this kind of content. All right, so I love you guys. If you have any further thing you want to know, let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to answer all of your questions. All right, so I love you, and until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish each and every member of Brainybite. All right, so we know we don't lose. What we do is only we will keep winning, and when we always win, and when we win, we keep winning. So let's see you again in my next video. All right, keep winning.